Are you looking for the best remote car starters? In this video we will look at some of the best remote car starters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Avital 4103LX Remote Start System. Coming from Avital, this is one of the smallest sized remote car starter kit available in the market. As a result, it ensures convenience in using. Though it is small, it is packed with some important features that enhance your user experience a lot. Remote start feature of the vehicle allows you to start the engine even if you are not inside the car. Other control features are locking, unlocking and trunk releasing. If it feels any threat, the panic mode will start running. It flashes the parking lights and sound alarm if you keep the alarm on. A great feature of this system is the valet takeover. When it is on, it keeps the car running even if the key has been removed from the vehicle. The system is packed with virtual tach TM that needs no tach wire in most installations. An A to D converter continuously samples the voltage to get the job of tach wire done. If you buy the package, you'll get 2 remotes with dedicated O outputs. Superhet receivers are integrated into the system to make sure that you get a great range of controls. Overall speaking, this small yet full with feature remote car starter is something that you'll love to have. Prows Valet Takeover Virtual tach TM Technology. Superhet receiver packed with important features. Cons: tough to install if you are a beginner. Number 2, Avital 4105 liters OneWay Remote Start System. Avital 4105 liters is for the motorists looking for a more budget-friendly remote car starter system that will give them great value for money. But another enormous advantage of this system is that it is compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Right out of the box, this model comes with a detailed instruction manual that will show you exactly how to install it in your vehicle. You can also make this remote starter interact with other devices by simply using a D2D cable. If you need flexibility and reliability with your remote car starter, then you will get it with this Avital model. As with most remote car starters, it is best to get professional help for the installation, as it can be difficult to get the installation right with no experience. This is a remote start with keyless entry system that includes 2 remote transmitters with dedicated O outputs. Although a bypass module is needed for installation, this kit does use virtual tach, which eliminates the need for a tach wire in most installations. Each remote can also be used to lock, unlock, and pop the trunk. In addition to being a remote start, panic mode on this system can sound the alarm and flash your parking lights, while valet mode will not arm the security system with the remote transmitter. Prows: more affordable. Detailed instruction manual. High control versatility. The buttons can be programmed using BitWriter. Cons: difficult to install by beginners. Number 3, Viper 5706 volts TwoWay car security with remote start system. One of the best things about the Viper 5706 volts is that it is a product from a top brand. Viper is a global leader in remote car starter manufacture, and they have been one of the top brands for some time now. This particular remote car starter can be programmed to perform up to 24 different functions. Better yet, it can also control 2 different cars at the same time. It comes with an LCD display that displays icons as well as text depending on the situation. Since this is a 2-way remote car starter, you will get advanced control over your vehicle. You can use this unit to open your truck doors, start your vehicle, among other functions. Additionally, there is a very practical function called Active Temp Check, which will display the current temperature inside your vehicle. Motorists will also like that this remote car starter has a simple and elegant look. Also, it is quite powerful and can be used to control your vehicle at a range of 5,280 feet. Which is quite impressive. The Viper 5706 volts is relatively expensive, but this should be expected from one of the best aftermarket remote starters from a top brand. Prows allows for more functions, ability to control 2 vehicles, long control range, nice LCD display, can be used to monitor the temperature inside your vehicle. Cons: it is expensive. Number 4. Avital 3100LX Security System. The Avital 5303 liters is an excellent mid-ranged security and remote start system. This package comes with one remote with an LCD screen and the other 4-button remote. As with most remote start systems, you get the ability to warm up your vehicle's engine and transmission from the comfort of your home or office, but it comes with some extra bonus features too. The LCD screen will display warning icons if the doors, trunk, or hood are left open. The shock sensor allows your LCD remote to warn you if your vehicle is being tampered with. Furthermore, the shock sensor can be set to issue warning chirps for minor bumps and issue a louder alarm for more serious disruptions. This means not only will the alarm be tripped at the physical location of your car, but you will also receive notifications on the key fob's LCD screen. This is an excellent and well-designed system, but we suggest seeking installation help from Best Buy or other electronics professionals. It is difficult to install unless you are very handy and or have worked with car electronics before. Install difficulties aside, this certainly is one of the best car starters out there. Number 5. Prows RCS 920S. 920S, OneWay remote start and keyless. With the pair of 4-button remote controls with multiple functionality that come with the Prows RCS 920S, you can be sure that you will get a high-performing and highly reliable system. This system is also one of the most affordable remote car starters on our review, and you get a complete installation kit with this purchase, which includes all the wires and the control module. As with most remote car starters, you will need professional help with this installation. However, once installed properly, you will have a superior keyless entry system as well as a remote start for your vehicle. The only caveat we have with this product is its relatively short range of 1,000 feet. However, this range is still acceptable for most people. Considering the price and the keyless functionality that this device brings to your vehicle, it is without a doubt still one of the best remote car starters for the money. Before everything else, the remote car starter you choose needs to be compatible with your vehicle. Otherwise, it will not work for you no matter the other amazing features and functionalities that it offers. The good news is that the manufacturers will clearly state the vehicle types that the system can work with, and so you will only need to choose the appropriate one for you. For example, the Prows RCS 4900S is designed for automatic transmission vehicles only, and so if you drive a stick shift, this will not be the right remote car starter for you. Prows. Highly reliable. Value for money. Comes as a complete installation kit. Works flawlessly with diesel engines. Indicator LED lights on the transmitters. Cons. Limited range of 1,000 feet only. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.